Hello, gearheads. Every journey begins with the turn of a key, and at the heart of that journey, your tires. From the very first moment you ignite the engine, you're initiating a connection between man, machine, and the road. The tires are the foundation of that connection. They are the unsung champions beneath every vehicle, working tirelessly regardless of weather, terrain, or distance. While the sleek design and powerful engine might capture attention, it's the tires that truly carry the weight of every journey, silently ensuring stability, control, and safety. The unsung heroes of the road. They carry you across continents, through cities, over highways, and down the unbeaten path. Think of the thousands of miles traveled, across smooth highways, bustling city streets, remote country roads, or rugged off-road terrain. Tires endure all of these without complaint, consistently delivering traction, cushioning, and control. They are the vital link between the car and the road surface, adapting to every nuance, every bend, and every incline. Whether you're commuting to work, going on a road trip, or exploring the wilderness, it's your tires that take the brunt of every twist and turn. But what do we truly know of their silent struggle against time? While we focus on the speed, the efficiency, and the power of our vehicles, how often do we stop to consider the tires themselves? Day after day, month after month, they face wear and tear. Yet, many drivers remain unaware of the gradual degradation that occurs beneath the surface. The treads slowly erode, the rubber ages, and the overall performance declines. This slow decay often goes unnoticed until a tire is visibly damaged, but by then critical safety may already be compromised. Tire wear, a process so slow, so subtle. Yet it tells a story. Tire wear is not an overnight phenomenon. It's a process that creeps up gradually, often without drawing attention. Each mile, each road surface contributes to this slow degradation. The wear tells a detailed story, one that many fail to recognize. It reveals how the vehicle has been driven, how often the tires have been maintained, and even the types of roads the car frequents. Tire wear can show you the way you've driven your vehicle, and if you pay attention, it can also warn you about future problems. A story of every corner you've carved, every mile you've conquered, but as the rubber fades, so does your grip on control. Every time you take a sharp corner, accelerate, or brake, your tires are in action. Over time, these activities slowly strip away the tread, reducing the depth and effectiveness of the tire's grip. With this fading grip comes a dangerous loss of control, especially during high-speed maneuvers or in wet or slippery conditions. Once confident feel of the car begins to diminish, and what once felt like a smooth, assured ride can transform into uncertainty. That is the risk of worn tires, the gradual erosion of control over your vehicle. And control is everything. On the road, control is not just about steering or acceleration. It's about stability, safety, and precision. Losing even a small amount of control can lead to dangerous situations, especially in adverse weather conditions like rain, snow, or ice. The difference between a car with worn tires and one with fresh, well-maintained tires can be the difference between stopping in time and a disaster. In essence, your tires play a major role in your overall control of the vehicle, and that control directly impacts your safety and the safety of others on the road. You see, tire wear isn't just about the road beneath your feet. It's about the balance of forces. Tire wear is a complex process influenced by many factors. It's not just a matter of how much you drive or the roads you drive on. The interaction between your car's suspension, weight distribution, tire pressure, and road conditions creates a delicate balance. Every time your car accelerates, brakes, or turns, forces are applied to the tires, and these forces are what lead to gradual wear. Understanding this balance allows you to better care for your tires and extend their lifespan. The precision of pressure, the dance between alignment and acceleration. Your tires, they're speaking to you in their wear patterns. Are you listening? The way tires wear down can provide critical information about your car's condition. Uneven wear patterns can indicate problems with tire pressure, misaligned wheels, or improper suspension settings. For instance, if the inner or outer edges of your tires are wearing faster than the center, that's a sign of alignment issues. The key is being able to recognize these signs early, before they lead to larger issues. Your tires are communicating with you through their wear, showing you where problems lie. But the real question is, are you paying attention? Aggression on the throttle, misaligned wheels, underinflated rubber. Each action, each oversight, leaves a scar. Aggressive driving habits, such as hard braking, rapid acceleration, and sharp cornering, can put immense stress on tires, causing them to wear more quickly and unevenly. Additionally, issues like wheel misalignment or underinflated tires can accelerate the wear process, leaving lasting damage. Each time you push your vehicle to its limits without considering the condition of your tires, you leave marks, wear scars that slowly accumulate over time. These scars aren't just superficial. They affect the performance, safety, and lifespan of your tires. And those scars, they don't just tell you your tires are wearing out. They tell you that something deeper is out of line. Tire wear patterns can reveal underlying mechanical problems in your car. Misalignment, for example, doesn't just cause tire wear. It can also lead to uneven weight distribution, affecting your car's handling and fuel efficiency. Similarly, underinflated tires not only wear faster but also increase rolling resistance, making your engine work harder and reducing gas mileage. So when your tires show unusual wear, they're often pointing to deeper issues with your vehicle. Issues that, if left unresolved, can lead to costly repairs down the line. Edge wear, feathering, cupping. These aren't just words. These are warnings. Tire wear patterns have specific names, each one corresponding to a different kind of problem. For example, edge wear indicates that your tires are likely underinflated, while feathering suggests an alignment issue. Cupping, on the other hand, is often a sign of suspension problems. These terms may sound technical, but they carry serious implications. They're not just mechanical jargon. They are warnings that something is wrong with your tires or your vehicle. Ignoring these signs can lead to dangerous driving conditions and potentially accidents. But here's the truth. You have the power to stop time, to reverse the damage, to prolong the life of your tires, your journey, your safety. The good news is that tire wear isn't inevitable, at least not in the short term. With proper care, you can slow down the wear process and in some cases even reverse minor damage. By regularly checking your tire pressure, keeping your wheels aligned and rotating your tires, you can extend their life and maximize performance. It's a small investment of time and effort, but one that can save you money and keep you safe on the road for longer. Maintain that pressure. Rotate with precision. Align, balance, protect what keeps you grounded. Simple maintenance tasks like checking tire pressure and rotating tires can make a significant difference. Keeping your tires properly inflated ensures that they wear evenly, improving fuel efficiency and extending their life. Rotating your tires distributes wear evenly across all 4 tires, while regular alignment checks prevent uneven wear caused by misaligned wheels. These small acts of care are what protect the one thing that keeps your car firmly planted on the road. Because when you drive, it's not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. Driving isn't just a matter of reaching your destination. It's about the experience of getting there, and part of that experience is knowing that your vehicle is safe, reliable, and efficient. By taking care of your tires, you're ensuring that every journey is smooth, controlled, and safe. You're investing in more than just the road ahead. You're investing in peace of mind. As you approach the end of the road, remember, your tires tell your story. As your journey nears its end, your tires hold a record of everything you've encountered along the way. Every smooth highway, every bumpy dirt road. They felt it all. Your tires are more than just a tool. They're a reflection of your driving habits and vehicle maintenance. They've been with you every step of the way, carrying the weight of your vehicle and your adventures. Every crack, every groove, a chapter in the book of your journey. But this is where the power lies. Each imperfection in the tread is a reminder of where you've been. And just like the pages of a book, these details add up to tell the story of your travels. But you're not powerless in this story. You have the ability to make the next chapter safer, smoother, and more efficient. By taking control of your tire maintenance, you're shaping your own future on the road. Are you in control? Or are you on borrowed time? The question is simple. Are you maintaining control of your vehicle, or are you pushing your luck with worn, neglected tires? Driving on tires that have reached their limit is like driving on borrowed time. It's only a matter of when, not if, something goes wrong. Whether it's a sudden blowout, a loss of traction, or a delayed braking response, worn tires can lead to catastrophic consequences. The choice is yours. Stay ahead of the wear, or let the wear get ahead of you.